AutoSum and AutoFill, and also we will cover a special function of AutoFill, that is flash fill. Autofill is another option where Excel is actually doing all the calculation and everything without writing any particular function. So first we are talking about here AutoSum. It is available with the formulas tab. There you can see the AutoSum here. And similarly, what we can do, if we have a number of series, for example, series 1, series 2, series 3, and 4 and 5, what we can do, rather than applying individually sum for all these columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what we can do, we can apply this auto sum option that is available with the formulas, and automatically it will calculate the summation of these five numbers